Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today I will be showing how to make this kind of UI movement like the one I use in the main menu of my game Momentum Fracture. But before that, I wanted to introduce my game, which already has a demo available on Steam. And I also appreciated your wishlist because that helps a lot as solo game developer. The game is a breakout, one of those break breaker games mixed with bullet hell and upgrades like in roguelites. Now, to show how this works, I have the starting scene here. I'm using a camera 2D, but you can use basically any other node. Inside the code, we are going to declare a tween using a variable and assign the tween to it. After that, I create a function with a direction input to move the camera, so it's easy to call from anywhere. Before anything else, we are going to grab this tween and kill it. This is to avoid some bugs that can happen. I recommend always killing the tween at the start of any function that uses. Then we are going to create a tween by using createTween on the variable. After that, we will use the tween property method. What it does is take a value and move it step by step to a final value over a period of time. So the first value here will be an object, in my case is the camera, then the property which will be the position, the final value which is the direction from the input, and the duration. This alone will already make the movement happen, but we can also add transitions using setTrans and then tween with some transition type. And also ease are those accelerated entrance and exit movement in the animation, and you can do the same thing here. In the end, you can also add a delay. And finally, the property can also be a sub-property. You just need to add a column and then the sub-property name. In this case, position has the x-axis. So what this does overall, it takes the camera, grab this position and move it to the direction during this period of time, while also executing accelerations based on the transition and the ease you set. On screen, we now showing what each ease and transition does together to make your lives easier. And it will also be on the description. So with something simple as this, you can make what I did for my game. I hope this helped you some way, and if this video made a difference for you, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. We'll be showing a lot of interesting stuff around here. That's all I have to say. See you later.